Yeah. So recently we had a very nice like session, and I think since last 20 years I was just seeking some answers, in my meditation, in my prayers, in my to whomsoever I'm meeting, like any Jyotish or any kind of like all those masters. But I never like got to know the full convincing answer for my son, because he is having a different behavioral pattern, and very different child since his childhood. I mean, since his very early stages, he was crying a lot, and he is a totally different boy. And so I was like very much. Then recently we met in a BNI session. Then I came to know about Jiten sir, and then I saw his videos also. I could connect with him because I like from last quite a few years I too in a meditation. So in the session I mean, I don't know how to explain all this, but it was a really a miracle for me, because I never knew that at this early thing I will get to know the answer why he is behaving like that, his past life. And and I could meet the I could hear the angel's voice. That is angel. uh, the name of the angel is Angel uh, Jackwell Angel. Yeah. Then afterwards, I do some R&D on the Google. Also, I came to know that one of the archangels, and he is basically doing the healing of the brain, uh, basically relating to memory. What I can connect is, he told us that it will take multiple sessions. I was just thinking that in the videos which I saw your for the earlier uh, all those people, there they say that they got their heart, another somebody is on ventilator and they got relief and they got that healing very fast. So I was just thinking that physical healings are even easier than mental and
Actually, correct, correct.
emotional healing, which is basically coming since ages, and it is unnoticed because this kind of I mean, this is also kind of disease with this, I mean, which soul is carrying in the life. And he looks very normal to all of to the entire world. We took him to all the psychiatrists, all the neurologists, all the doctors. He is not a mental mad or something like that. He's a totally perfectly normal speaking boy. But nobody can tell us. Everybody was telling, no, no, he's perfectly, everything is perfect. So the person who is suffering from inside, he does not know why he is suffering. Others don't know why he is suffering, and he's carrying that disease since ages. And to identify that disease, it took us almost 20 years. Now only we got to know the answer. So I'm really very thankful to you. I'll not take much of your time, and thank you so much. I
You
have
see,
no words to say.
basically, this is not at all disease actually. This is like, the way we study first class, second class, third class, the soul also evolve, incarnation by incarnation, life after life. This never ever call it as a disease because
Yeah.
this is something everyone are learning their lessons on the earth.
Yes.
So we go through, and you are helping him in this journey, and
Yes.
your
Yes.
intentions are so strong because there is no way that we interact with each other because you are in a different thing, I'm in a different thing. I just recently joined, but no, I can correlate because why this happened.